Let me tell you about a woman named Amira. She woke up every morning at 5 a.m. Not because she wanted to, but because she had to. She had 3 children and a small apartment, and exactly $7 left in her account. No job, no connections, no backup plan. Her family had told her to wait for something better to come. Her friends also told her that the internet was for scammers. Her own mind told her maybe they were right. But one night, while everyone else was asleep, she picked up her phone. Not to scroll, not to watch video. She typed 3 words into Google. How to make money online. That was 18 months ago. Today, Amira pays her own rent. She bought her mother a new phone. She works from her living room in her own time, and she has never looked back. Now, here is what I need you to understand. Before this video goes any further, Amira is not special. She had no special degree, no special talent, no special connection. What she had was exactly what you have right now: a phone, internet, and a decision she refused to unmake. This is going to take you through everything she learned and everything I have seen work for women across Africa and beyond. If you stay until the end, you will live with a clear path, a real one, not a fantasy, not a promise, but a plan. So stay with me because your story might be about to change. Before I show you the method, I need to tell you something that most YouTube videos will never say, because most videos just want you to click, and I want your transformation. So here is the truth. You are not going to make money tomorrow. And that's actually a good thing, because people who think they will quit in days when they don't. The women I've watched actually succeed. They expected it to be hard at first. They gave themselves 3 months just to learn. They said, I am a student right now. My job is to get better. And something strange happened when you do that. You stop panicking every time it's slow. You stop quitting every time it's hard. You start building. I also want to address something that may be sitting in your mind right now. You might be thinking, this isn't for people like me. I live in Africa. These things are for people in America or Europe. I want you to hear me very clearly. That thought is a lie. I know women in Lagos making money or more money online than doctors in their city. I know women in Nairobi who are booked out 3 months with international clients. I know women in Dubai and Abu Dhabi building stories that sell to customers they have never met. The internet does not check your passport. It does not check your neighborhood. It checks your skill, your consistency, and your follow through. Those you can build anywhere. So let's build them starting right now. Now let's talk about Fatima. Fatima had just finished secondary school in Accra. She wanted to go to university, but money was tight. She felt stuck. And one afternoon, a cousin mentioned something called Fiverr. She didn't even know what it was. She had never heard of it, but she had something she didn't even realize had value. She was good with words. In school, she always helped her friends write essays. She always made things sound better than they were. Her cousin said to her, do you know that people pay for that online? Fatima did not believe it, but she made a profit anyway out of it. Her first gig, which is writing simple post descriptions, she charged $3. Yes, you heard me right. $3 doesn't sound like much, right? But that first payment, that notification changed something inside Fatima. Because for the first time, Someone in another country had looked at her work and said, this is worth paying for. And that was 7 months ago. Today, Fatima earned over $800 a month, writing for clients in the US and UK. She's saving to open her own businesses. And she's 22 years old. So what is freelancing exactly? Freelancing means you sell a skill to someone who needs it. You don't even work for one company. You work for yourself, serving different clients. And here is the beautiful part of it. You probably already have a skill people will pay for. Jones haven't seen it that way yet. Let me tell you about what skill beginners can start with right now. Writing skill. Even basic writing, a social media caption, product description, emails company pays for this every single day. Is it data entry? If you can type, read, or organize information, companies will hire you remotely. Is it virtual assistant? Helping a business owner manage their calendars, emails, and tasks. This is one of the fastest ways to get hired online as a beginner. Now let's talk about graphic design using Canva. Yes, Canva is free. If you can use it to make clean graphics, you can charge for that. Social media management. Businesses want someone to post on their Instagram and Facebook. They will pay you for that. Now, where do you go to find clients? Let me give you 3 platforms you need to know about. 1 is Upwork. You have more professionals and better for ongoing work. 2 is Fiverr, which is great for beginner like you. You can create a gig and a client comes to you. Freelancer also, another solid option with many job listings. Here is the exact process to start. Step 1, you have to choose one skill, not 5. 1. Step 2, create a profile. Write clearly about what you can do. Use your real photo. Step 3, charge a very low price at the beginning. Not because you are not worth or you are worthless, but because you are building your reputation. Yes, reviews are your currency right now. So step 4, make sure you deliver excellent work every time, even when it's hard, especially when it's ads. Step 5, ask every satisfied client to leave a review. When you have 5 strong reviews, it raises your price. So when you have 15, it raises it again. Fatima started at $3. She now charges $60 per article. That's the journey. It is available for you or to you too. Now, let me tell you about Nadia. Nadia lives in a small town in Morocco. She makes beautiful handmade jewelry, the kind her grandmother taught her. Beaded bracelets, woven necklaces. For years, she sold them at local markets. She stands for hours and earned maybe 20 or 30 dirhams. Her neighbors told her to try Instagram. She said, who will buy from me? I have 50 followers. Her neighbor said, post anyway. So she did. She took photo in natural light, simple background. She wrote short captions. She posted every 2 days, 3 weeks in. A woman in France messaged her. She wanted to order 12 pieces for gifts. Nadia sat on her floor and cried. She don't even need a shop. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a business degree. All you need is a product, a phone, and a plan. So here is what you can sell online. You can sell clothes and accessories, beauty products, handmade crafts, baked goods in your city, and sometimes something incredibly powerful that people overlook, digital products. What are digital products? Digital products are things that exist online. They are like ebooks, planners, templates, recipe guides, study packs. You create them once, you sell them forever. No shipping, no inventory, no running out of stock. Where do you sell? Like Instagram, which is the most powerful tool for virtual products. Facebook marketplaces, especially strong for local sales in Africa. WhatsApp businesses. Your women's audience is already there, right? So the formula is very simple. Post consistently, clear content, and respond quickly to messages. Start with a small number of products so you can manage quality, deliver on time, and ask for review. You don't need a big budget to start. Nadia started with one tray of supplies she already had. You start with what you have and where you are. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting and most misunderstood ways to earn online: content creation. When most people hear this, they think that's for celebrity. That's for people with perfect lives. No. Let me tell you about Blessing. Blessing is a mother of two in Lagos. She's not particularly glamorous. She don't even have ring lights or expensive cameras. One day, she started filming herself cooking. Not tutorials, not performances, just cooking and talking like she was talking to her sister. So she posted it on TikTok. Her first video got 200 views. She thought that was amazing. Her fifth video got 40,000. She kept going. Today, she had brand partnerships. She earned from TikTok creator funds. She sells her own digital recipe book. And she films everything on the phone she already had. Content creation is about consistency more than perfection. What can you create content about? Your daily life, your cooking, beauty and skincare, motivation, fashion, motherhood, business trip, learning a new skill in public. The secret is this: people don't just watch content, they follow people. When viewers feel like they know you, they trust you. When they trust you, they support you. These are the places you can build your audience. TikTok, which is the fastest growing platform for new creators right now. Instagram Reels, strong reach, especially in Africa. YouTube, it takes longer to grow, right? But pays the most per views. How do you eventually earn? You earn by having brand deals. Companies pays you to mention their products. Affiliate marketing. You earn a commission when someone buys through your affiliate link. Platform monetization. Once you hit a certain number, the platform itself pays you. You don't need 100,000 followers to start earning. You need the right niche, real engagement, and a way to convert followers into buyers. Start posting today, not when it's perfect. Today.